So in this video I want to talk about the S&P 500 ETF bearish broken winged butterfly spread that I put on. I actually closed that out for a profit. A profit that's actually well above what I was intending to make. And the realized return on risk was 0.72, which is fairly decent realized return on risk considering that my return on risk ratio was 0.38, so it's certainly higher than I expected to get on this trade. So the reason why I closed it out was because it did actually open up a lot lower. Now, having said that, it actually dropped a lot more after I sold it, which is just how it goes. There was just a lot of unrest going on, a lot of volatility, and I figured, well, I've made a bit of a profit and I was thinking of rolling the trade. I've realized since that it's quite difficult to think of a spread that I would like to put on, considering that we could see it bounce back up. Really, I closed the position because I felt there was just not as much asymmetry left in the trade in terms of all the Greeks were not working in my favor anymore, and that I was already sitting on a decent profit with the remaining amount of potential profit left being difficult to capture, given that there would have to be a substantial move downwards to get the max profit. Technical wise, you can see it's falling rapidly due to the trade war, due to the Hong Kong debacle that's going on right now. Sentiment is, it seems like the world is getting a little bit more fearful and uneasy. Essentially, I made money following my system, and my reaction was fairly neutral, as I felt I was only making back the money I lost in the US Swiss franc. So it's probably a bit of psychological bias there, which I need to watch out for, as another trade shouldn't affect how I think of the next trade. Lessons here is essentially I think I need to find a way to roll profits in a bearish spread. It was nice that I made money, but not entirely sure if this is the best way to utilize or to profit from a bearish view in the S&P 500. As you can see, it's dropped from 300 to 287. It's dropped 13 points, and I guess I was only really able to capture less than a 100% return on risk, which is it's not too great for being able to capture a 4.5% move. And this is actually what I was looking at. When I sold, so I sold at around 287.17. This big gap. So that's it.